This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Michael Ryan Smith. Just over 11 acres of rolling wooded privacy with abundant wildlife. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, massive living room and wraparound deck. Stained and sealed this year, covered at the back door, set in rural Seymour, close to all the necessities and quick access to the Smoky Mountains. Large primary bedroom and large bathroom, handicapped accessible, with large closet. This property offers the best of what TN offers and the space a family needs. Full unfinished basement with walkout door and window offers more storage or the opportunity to finish out and create more living space for its new family. Video and 3D tour available. Schedule your showing today. Property cannot be seen from the road. Please no drive-bys. Schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Ryan Smith at 865-342-4200.